There's a moment just after your eyes open in the morning when your entire day is still unwritten. No emails, no deadlines, no distractions, just you and the first 5 minutes. Most people don't realize it, but those first 5 minutes after waking are some of the most powerful moments of your entire day. They set the tone, they shape your energy, they influence how you feel, what you notice, and even what you attract. If you're waking up and immediately reaching for your phone, scrolling through notifications, or jumping straight into stress, then you're wasting one of the most spiritually potent moments available to you each day. Ancient Indian traditions refer to this early period as Brahma Muhurta, the creator's hour. It's a sacred window, about 1.5 hours before sunrise, when the energy of the universe is still and highly receptive. According to Sadhguru, this is the time when your system is naturally aligned to tap into higher consciousness and clarity. But even if you don't wake up at 4 or 5 a.m., the first 5 minutes after you wake, no matter what time that is, still carry immense potential. So today, I want to show you how to reclaim those 5 minutes, how to transform your mornings from chaotic and unconscious to intentional and energetically aligned. Because if you can master the start of your day, you can master your entire life. Let's begin with what not to do. The biggest mistake: reaching for your phone immediately. Most people wake up and instantly flood their nervous system with external information: messages, emails, social media, the news. This pulls your awareness outward before you've even reconnected with yourself. When you do this, you give the outside world permission to shape your energy. You begin the day reactively rather than creatively. Your brain is in a highly impressionable state just after waking. This is when your subconscious mind is most open. Whatever you feed it during these moments plants seeds that grow throughout the day. So, if you plant stress, you get more stress. If you plant clarity, you get more clarity. If you plant chaos, guess what follows? So, here's how to shift it. The first 5 minutes after waking should be sacred, a ritual, a moment of returning to your inner self before letting the world in. You don't need to be a yogi. You don't need a perfect routine. You just need awareness and intention. Here's a simple 5-step morning practice inspired by Sadhguru and ancient Indian wisdom that can completely transform your mornings and your life. Step 1. Don't move immediately. Just become aware. As soon as you wake, instead of jumping out of bed or grabbing your phone, just stay still for a moment. Close your eyes again, not to sleep, but to feel. Bring your attention to your breath. Observe it gently. Notice the subtle sensation of being alive, the rise and fall of your chest, the warmth in your body. This moment of stillness grounds you. It reconnects you to your body before your mind starts running. It says to your system, we begin with presence. Step 2. Place your hands together in gratitude. Sadhguru often speaks about the power of starting your day in reverence. He suggests placing your hands in a namaskar position at your heart and bowing your head slightly, expressing gratitude for another day of life. It's not about religion, it's about energetic alignment. Gratitude opens the heart. And when you open your heart, first thing in the morning, the rest of the day meets you differently. You can say something simple like, I am thankful for this breath. I am thankful for this body. I am thankful for another opportunity to live with awareness today. This shifts your state instantly from survival to abundance, from reaction to creation. Step 3. Set a conscious intention. In this still and grateful space, speak your intention for the day, not just what you want to do, but how you want to be. Maybe you say, Today, I move with peace. Today, I speak with love. Today, I stay rooted in calm no matter what happens. This is powerful because your mind listens, your body listens, your energy listens, and your day begins to bend around the energy you set. Don't underestimate the effect of setting a simple intention. It's like entering the day with a compass. Step 4. Visualize your energy expanding. With your eyes still closed, take a few deep breaths and imagine light surrounding your body. You can visualize this however feels natural to you. A golden glow, a soft mist, a pulsing field. See this light expanding from your heart, filling your entire room. This isn't fantasy, it's energetic preparation. When you visualize your energy expanding, you program your system to move through the day with openness and strength. You create a boundary of peace that shields you from external noise. This step alone can dramatically reduce stress and emotional reactivity. Step 5. Smile. Then rise. Yes, smile. Even if you don't feel like it. Smiling sends a signal to your nervous system that you're safe, grounded, and okay. It may feel small, but it's one of the most powerful habits you can build. Smile. Breathe deeply, then rise. At this point, your energy is aligned. Your system is awake, not just physically, but spiritually. Now you're ready to begin the day. This whole process takes less than 5 minutes. No app, no alarm, no pressure. Just 5 intentional minutes that tell the universe, I'm showing up on purpose today. And that intention, it ripples into everything. You'll notice you're more focused during your tasks. You speak with more clarity. You feel more grounded, even when challenges arise. Why? Because you took the time to anchor your energy before the world had a chance to shape it for you. Sadhguru often says, if you start the day with inner balance, the external chaos cannot touch you. It's true. What you do in the first 5 minutes creates momentum, and momentum is powerful. Think of a wheel. When you give it a push in the right direction, it keeps spinning with ease. But if you push it the wrong way, or forget to push at all, it wobbles, slows down, or crashes into things. Your energy works the same way. So the question is, which way are you pushing your energy at the start of your day? Are you setting yourself up to wobble through stress and distraction? Or are you aligning yourself with clarity, peace, and intention? Here's the beauty. No matter how hectic your life is, you can control these 5 minutes. Even if you're busy, even if you have kids, work, or early obligations, 5 minutes is all it takes. And if you want to go further, extend the practice, meditate, stretch, repeat mantras, journal. But even if you do nothing else, protect those 5 minutes. Because those 5 minutes determine what energy you carry into your day. And energy is everything. It shapes how you show up, how others respond to you, what opportunities find you, what obstacles drain you, what direction your mind and emotions take. Most people go through life on autopilot, reacting, surviving, repeating the same cycles over and over. But with 5 conscious minutes, you break that cycle. You return to your power. You remember who you are before the world tries to tell you. So, starting tomorrow, try it. Set your alarm 5 minutes earlier or just use your existing wake up moment more wisely. Don't grab your phone. Don't start running. Instead, feel your breath. Place your hands in gratitude. Speak your intention. Visualize your energy. Smile and rise. These 5 minutes might seem small, but their impact is profound. Because when you begin your day with awareness, the rest of your life begins to shift. You begin attracting what matches your energy. You begin responding instead of reacting. You begin living from the inside out, not the outside in. And soon you realize something beautiful. You're not just shaping your day, you're shaping your destiny one morning at a time. Namaste.